This is a video on tips and shortcuts. We're going to discuss conversion between Celsius and Fahrenheit degrees of temperatures. This is video number 16, part 4 of 5. I've divided the video in 5 sections. This is the fourth part. Okay, let's continue. Let's continue the next section here. Next section is converting between Celsius and Fahrenheit. Okay, let's continue here. It's converting between Celsius and Fahrenheit. Okay, formula is F minus 32, that's degrees in Fahrenheit, minus 32 divided by 9, which is equal to C over 5. That's a degrees in centigrade divided by 5 Celsius. Let's continue here and apply transpose and apply to simplify this thing here. We let's say have a some number in terms in the numerator and some in denominator. Let's simplify by using a transpose and apply. Okay, basically we're going to multiply both sides by 9. Okay, that means f minus 32 is equal to 9 divided by 5 times c, and 9 divided by 5 is 1.8, okay, times c. And so degree in Fahrenheit minus 32 is equal to 1.8 times degrees in Celsius. Continue here. So Fahrenheit is equal to 1.8 times C plus 32. 1.8 times the degrees in Celsius plus 32. Let us continue here. And for Celsius, we will use the approximate reversal method to convert Fahrenheit into Celsius. We would use a reversal method. Convert 40 degrees Celsius to Fahrenheit. Okay, let's continue. So first we'll do a double of 40 times 2. So we will try and do 1.8 times, but we're going to do double. 40 times 2 is 80. Now we will subtract a tenth from this number here. Tenth of this double, not tenth of the original number. So we're going to take a tenth of this, subtract that, which 80 minus 8 is 72. We just multiply 40 by 1.8 to get 72, and we did through first doubling and subtracting. Okay, and tenth of a number is just moving a decimal place to the left. Let's continue here. Then add 32 from the formula. 72 plus 32 is 104 degrees Fahrenheit. So 40 degrees Celsius is 104 degrees Fahrenheit. Let's continue here. So now let's convert that back into degrees Celsius. So first we do is subtract. The last thing was add 32. So we are going to subtract 32 is equal to 72. We are doing a reversal here. Now we had subtracted a tenth here, and we will add a tenth. This is an approximation here. We should have, for exact number, we should be adding a ninth. So instead we are going to add a tenth, which is 72 plus 7.2 is 79.9. If I had added ninth here, 72 plus 8 would be 80, will be exactly where we are right here. Okay? But here is approximation here. We are going to add a tenth. Okay? Then add another hundredth. That would get me a better approximation. So we're getting closer here. So 79.2 plus 0.72, which hundredth of that is 79.92. Okay, then we could continue adding some more terms here, which would get me a closer and closer. Now we are going to divide. 79.92 divided by 2 is 39.2 degrees Celsius, and approximately it's not 40 we started with, but it's off. It's 39.92. and it's less than 40, so deviation is minus 0.08. This is degrees Celsius. Let's continue here. So convert minus 40 degrees. Let's do another example. Convert minus 40 degrees Celsius to Fahrenheit. Double is minus 40 times 2 is minus 80. Okay. Then we subtract a tenth. Tenth of minus 80 is minus 8. So we subtract minus 8. That gets minus 80 plus 8 is minus 72. So now we add 32. Okay. Minus 72 plus 32 is minus 40 degrees Fahrenheit. So minus 40 degrees Celsius is minus 40 degrees Fahrenheit. Let's continue. References, you know that there is a reference of first reference is uh, this Vedic Maths ebook.com memory mentor underscore maths underscore tips.pdf. I got most of the ideas from this book ebook, and but I use my own approach. Okay, my approaches are different. This ebook has numerous other tips and shortcuts. Okay, so it has a multiply by 11, multiply by 12, square of numbers ending in 5, and some other working with the times also. Okay, let's continue here. Next is a teacher's manual, Vedic Math teacher's manual, elementary level by Ken Williams, and this book is available from vedicmaths.org site. And if you look at PDF form, that is free. Then look up primary reference for anything Vedic math is Bharati Krishna Tirthaji's book, Vedic Mathematics. An authoritative book is Discover Vedic Math by Kenny Williams. It's the most complete book, authoritative and consistent notation. The book organizes the material by sutras. Okay. And then Glover's book, 3 books, they are very easy to read and are not as complete as the either of the first 2 books are, but it's easier to read and cover most of the topics. Okay, and yeah, then it has plenty of geometry which I have avoided. Okay, let's continue.